Sometimes we don't know where the road of life is going to lead us. For me, it led me to Launch Code, a place where purpose and passion collides, a place where you have an opportunity. Launch Code helped me launch a new career. It gave me that opportunity. So I want to give back. I want to be able to help a new generation of learners become developers by sharing all of my life lessons and all of my struggles and what it took for me to get to where I needed to be today. Launch Code helped me do that. Now let's go on this journey together. I'll see you there. Okay, so we made it to the next chapter where we're going to be talking about HTTP. We're going to talk about protocols and helping you understand how this works. So if you're new to this channel and you would like to follow along with the curriculum, it is free. The link is in the description. Let's get into it. Chapter 24, HTTP, the postal service of the internet. This is our learning objectives. After completing all the content in this chapter, you should be able to do the following. Understand how the HTTP protocol enables web applications. This is another piece of the puzzle that's going to help bring all of this together. Key terminologies. Here's a list of the key terms for this chapter, broken down by the page they first appear on. Make note of these terms and their definitions as you read through the chapter content. Looks like quite a bit that we're going to be going over in this particular chapter, but we're going to be talking about client-side server model or client-server model, the server, the client, protocol, HTTP, HTTPS, TCP/IP, which means TCP over IP, DNS, domain names, IP address, name servers, loopback address, uniform resource locator, so the URL is what you're used to, or the URL is right here, web address scheme, host, port, path, root path, query strings. At a glance, HTTP at a glance, request response. We're going to talk about the request method, request headers, response line, response code, response headers. Now, in this particular chapter, it's definitely a lot of things we want to touch on about how to actually get your web application to work on the actual server or the web, so that people are able to find your particular website or your particular web application or your software, whatever it is that you want people to see. We're going to show you how this all comes together and how to basically understand the process that it's going to take to deploy your application. We won't go over deploying your application, but you need to understand these few little things that's going to help bring it all together. So let's get into this chapter, and I'll see you in the first section.